and I'm the manager. If you can help me pass those around a little bit, I'm going to talk to these a little bit. If you can pass them around for me, thanks. I'm the manager of Starkey's Injection Lab. We're actually a group of 3 departments that use different technologies to support Starkey's plastic production needs. The tool room is where we build, repair, and maintain the injection molds that are used to mold the plastic components. There are 13 tool makers and machinists in this group, and they support close to 1,000 injection molds. A typical Starkey RIC or BTE each contains an average of 10 plastic parts, and each part requires its own injection mold. So the total cost for tooling that'll go into a BTE or a RIC can exceed $600,000. We use 2 types of technologies to build these tools. We have CNC, which uses an end mill to shape steel or create geometry, or EDM, which uses an electrical charge to shape steel and create geometry by cutting or burning using a brass wire or a graphite electrode. Now, geometry is that detail you see on a molded part. Using these 2 technologies, we can go from raw steel to a completed injection mold in a short period of time. In Glencoe, we also mold plastic parts and also paint them. Over the last 5 years, we have molded 70 million plastic parts and have painted 18 million of those, primarily for our RIC and BTE product families. Plastic part selection will guide us towards, plastic part requirement will guide us towards what kind of plastic we're going to use. This is a spine. The spine and an ear hook, for example, have different requirements that the other may not. So we use 2 different kinds of plastic. We use 2 different types of injection mold or injection molding machines. One is an automated process, which allows us to continue molding parts when no one's in the facility, or a manual molded process, which allows us to mold in pieces of metal. Again, the part design will dictate which one of those machines is going to be used. We believe that by molding our own parts and building our own molds, we get better parts quicker, and it gives Starkey a unique advantage. We also paint our plastic parts. We believe that a painted part gives a better look, that better reflects the quality of technology that we build into our own devices. All right.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.